welcome to another session with Leverage Edu. Today we'll be talking about the 5 high-paying job STEM courses in UK. What we will be talking about in this particular session would be what are STEM courses, why should you apply for a STEM course in UK, what are the best courses, the 5 best courses that you can look at if you're looking forward to a very high-paying job roles, the cost of living, the cost of education, as well as the job roles and universities you can apply for. So let me take this forward with what exactly is a STEM course. STEM course is basically an abbreviation of science, technology, engineering, and management. What we talk about in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics is basically the curriculum includes these particular programs as a focus. Initially, this was just a well-known program for US. Now, UK has recognized its potential, and a lot of universities do have a very, very strong programs that lead to a high-paying job at the end of the program that you're finishing off. Why we look at UK? Of course, one of the top study destinations across the globe is UK as a country. They have around 584 universities, which includes the top 100 universities across the globe. What we will be talking about is what are the eligibility criteria if you're looking forward to a STEM program. The eligibility criteria are basically science programs, basically science, mathematics, computer, your physics, chemistry, and biology in your 10th standard. You can also look at specializing in one of the courses in your bachelor's if you're doing a master's program from these particular courses. Coming to the topic of the 5 major programs that you should target. The first one, of course, would be computer science. If you're looking at someone who is looking forward to working in the, say, top 10 companies across the globe, the top 10 companies in MNCs, IT sector is very, very strong and it is never going to get out of market. So programs like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, business analytics, these are the programs that you should look at. And UK, being one of the major destinations for data science and artificial intelligence, does have a very, very strong curriculum to offer you. Aerospace engineering does include a lot of segments towards mechanical and civil, but it also gives you a better clarity towards the fastest growing chains across the globe. The 4th program that we can talk about is towards the biology sector, which is life science and bioinformatics and biotechnology. Of course, to summarize to the 5 highest paying job courses in UK, which are STEM, we have civil engineering, we have computer science, we have aerospace engineering, biomedical and life sciences, and mechanical engineering. Summarizing this topic and going ahead with the job opportunities, UK, since Brexit came into the picture, have opened up a lot of doors towards the job opportunities. The job market is very, very strong in UK. We can definitely target UK because around 50,000 opportunities are open with every intake. So you definitely can target that as a country if you're looking forward to a better return on investment in your opportunities. The best universities that we can look at or we can target in UK for STEM programs is your University of Manchester, Cambridge University, University College London, University of Oxford, and University of Edinburgh, University of Bristol, Glasgow, King's College London, and University of Warwick. These are the major universities that you should target if you have a very good profile and you're looking forward to a STEM program with return on investment on a highest paying job opportunities. This is all about the program and topic we have discussed. If you have any further question and you want to go ahead with the process, you can reach out to Leverage Edu on www.leverageedu.com and we'll be looking forward to taking it from there. Thank you.